said afternoon people, you don't know you're there with Just Facts and we're just there for spit facts, you see me? So you don't know Vybz Kartel never had that, just make this alkaline thing slide so where him diss Popcaan and a laugh and take the thing for a joke. So Vybz Kartel decide for this Jahmeil, Alkaline and Mavado, all three at the same time. Yeah, so Vybz Kartel, you don't know, make a little post and say an artist was doing good until he start flex with one pit bull and one German shepherd. Yeah, so you don't know it easy for kinda place who would have be the pit bull and who are the German shepherd. I'm not for go into it. So you need to drop them company the dog. That's what Kartel I say. Or else you are going to lame out your thing. Cause them boring like 90s blues. Yeah, so any weather, hashtag any weather. You know that song they do well people. 1 week and 1.5 million views. Doing great. Yeah, while so Kartel respond to Alkaline, him also send a message to Vado. And him diss all three of them at the same time. Talking about killing 3 birds with 1 stone. People, the dancehall space look nice again, like little tension a build up again between the artists. Them I don't know. That cause clash, that cause musical war, and that always have been doing well for the artists them, so we can't deny that as long as them keep it lyrical only though. I'm not surprised if some diss songs start drop. I think that at the next move we're gonna look for see them artists I make, but who is going to throw the first job? We have to go wait and see. So basically Vybz Kartel I say a long time Alkaline no find a hit song still, you know, you see me? And that are just facts people. I don't know this thing to Alkaline either, cause I know Alkaline busy and do him show them. Talking about show, well I go promote one new show Alkaline have coming up right now. And this show is April 12. So see it there.
Girl, we know what she wants, sexy and you're cute too. Real mad girl, so you do what you choose to. You tell a girl, chuck up, stop watch and view you. I worry about people, business, want to phone. Know why you have the man, and him not use you. Start from your back, no girl, you never know stop. She know what she want. Hear me a send a man at the youngest lad. Check me out April 12, Toronto. Victoria, Chadney, Victoria. Anyway you want to put it. What are they? Full effect. Young gun, Sashi Cool, Star Captain. You want me to see?
When Alkaline find the last hit song, talk the truth people. Yeah, so and Jahmeil, you don't know Jahmeil find the house on top of the hill. That song there. No frightened for your house on the hill. Yeah, that was Jahmeil big breakout song, and I don't know him find a couple other hit songs after that. A good amount, but Jahmeil another hottest topic right now either. You see me? So basically I just that Vybz Kartel a point out to Mavado and I say, yo, what go on there so? You lily up your thing youth. You see me? Cause I know the heights where Vado for the pond. Him and Vado was the next 2 concrete staple of dancer like where you'd have a bounty and a beanie, you see me? So that's how Vybz Kartel a point out. But Vybz Kartel never stopped there, you know. Him went on to say, yo, do your thing, my picnic. I talk to Popcaan. You don't know that I'm student. Yes, so I must say my style got kidnapped from all angles. Them for just do music and stop talk about who a thief style from who isn't. Low that now. The people them want music for listen to. Low out the bad mind meds, yo. You see me? So Vybz Kartel just a speak out on Popcaan behalf. And I don't know. Because I'm youth, so I have to do that, you see me? Yeah, I don't know. No father now go see nobody take a step of them youth and no step in on that. Unless him no one real father, you see me? So Vybz Kartel did have to make that move there. Some people attack all kind of things, all kind of bulls. I say Vybz Kartel just a look at hype and I try get back a little. Yeah, you know people are gonna talk all kind of thing, but Vybz Kartel still are the king of dancehall. Who can deny that? Yeah, people are just facts and I'm out.